right, now we're going to make a ragu sauce where we're going to be using a mix of different kinds of meat. And we're going to start by Lina making the bracciole first. So here we have thin pieces of beef. Look at how dark this meat is. And we're going to do a bracciole that has, she's going to put a little bit of parsley, prezzemolo, and aglio. She already has the garlic already cut up, so a little bit of parsley. All of this meat is going to cook together. So we have different kinds of meat here. We have maiale, we have anche salsicce.
Salsiccia, manzo.
Beef, we already mentioned. Un po' di formaggio,
sì, sì.
Primo. Pecorino, see?
Sì.
Perché we are in Puglia, and we are using a sheep's milk cheese. And she's just going to put a little bit on because, you know, I'm going to tell you a little secret about Lina. She really doesn't like cheese, but her husband does, so we're going to make this for him.
Cerchiamo di essere celeri. Questa, ad esempio, è una braciola di agnello.
Okay, that was lamb. Così?
Sì, grazie.
Allora, perfetto. Okay. And she's putting this in the pan with, the olive oil is cold. We haven't heated it up yet. Okay, then we put in all the rest of the meat. Tutto.
Il tutto, sì.
Here's that wonderful, beautiful sausage that's going in. This is a lot of meat. Now, you have to remember, I said we're making a ragu. The meat, after it is browned, is going to cook a long time to get all of these, of course, tender. But the meat will be served as a second course, and the sauce is going to be served over one of the pasta dishes that Lina is going to make for us. Allora, so we can put the meat in, and we can get it going and forget about it. Okay, so now we're ready. We've got to really brown the meat. That's important. Even Lina's husband said to me, the meat has to be really brown because that's where all the flavor is when this is cooking, and you want to make sure there isn't a lot of liquid in there. Now we're adding the San Marzano tomatoes. So a couple cans of that went in, and this is sugo. Okay, now we're adding tomato juice. So we have 2 cans of San Marzano tomatoes and a big bottle of tomato juice. E basta?
No, ci vuole
No?
vabbè, dopo.
No?
Posso.
And we need a little bit of water. A little bit of water goes in. She does exactly what I do. Clean out the bottle. You don't want to leave anything behind. E questo è tutto?
Questo è tutto.
Sì.